Hi, I'm Andrew. I go to the Dalton School, and this year I'll be a sophomore there. So I did two main projects this summer, and this is my first one. It's a pedometer slash speedometer for a bike, and it sends data from the bike itself to a computer, which then graphs it and saves it. These are all the parts of my bike cyclocomputer, and on the bike itself is an Arduino, one wireless transmitter, a magnetic reed switch, and a potentiometer. So these reflect data on this LCD screen. So the first thing I do is plug in the 9-volt battery, which is also in its own little tin, and turn it on. So I need to set the radius of my bike wheel, and that's done with this potentiometer because larger bike wheels would mean faster speeds per rotation and vice versa. So about 1 foot is a good example. And then after 15 seconds, it'll go to your speed and your distance. And this is constantly transmitting data to this XB, which is connected directly to the computer, and then graphing it on the screen. The magnetic reed switch, which is sensing the magnet, is on an interrupt on the Arduino, which means that it's constantly sensing, and it's not going to just check every whatever milliseconds. It's just going to check and know when the state changes of the sensor. So as I start to put the magnet near it, you can see the speed go up. And the speed is measured by the time in between the senses. So longer times mean shorter speeds, lower speeds, and shorter times in between magnet senses means faster speed. That's also on the LCD screen here. And the computer data, as well as the Arduino data, is written into a file that's on the computer. It's a trip file that shows the exact time and your speed at that time. And it also records your top speed, which is right here. And that's also written into the file. One of the best experiences throughout the summer was definitely just the instructors and how they helped me, and then gradually developing a way to help myself and power through the issues and the problems that arose every single day. In this project, it was really nice to see everything come together in a really nice form. Everything fits together in a tin, and it has a really practical use on a bike, and it's always something I wanted to see, the speed and how far I'm going. And one of the biggest challenges was getting everything to work together, too. These little wireless modules turned out to be pretty tricky to operate. And then graphing on the computer was also something that was new for me and challenging because I decided to write my own graphing program. And I didn't really know where to start, but it took a while, but I eventually got through it, and it works really well, and I'm really proud of the experiences I had.